What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to select English as the language you want to learn in the Duolingo app. If you're trying to learn English on Duolingo and can't find it listed, there's a reason for that. Duolingo assumes that the language you're using in the app is your native language. So, if your app is already set to English, it won't offer English as a course option, because it assumes you already know it. To learn English, you need to set Duolingo's interface to a different language. Open the Duolingo app, tap on the language icon at the top left and select Courses. Scroll all the way down and tap on More. This section lets you view courses available for speakers of other languages. Here, you will see a list of base languages like Arabic, Bengali, Chinese, French, and many more. Choose the language that represents your native or current language setting. For example, if you select Turkish as your base language, Duolingo will now show English as a course option to learn. Once you select the language, tap Continue. The app's interface will switch to that base language, and English will appear as the language you're learning. From there, you can begin lessons in English designed specifically for speakers of the base language you chose. So remember, to learn English in Duolingo, your app's display language must be set to something other than English. This allows Duolingo to treat English as the target language instead of the default. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.